Triangles, Triangles, Part 2. Welcome to Stargazers. I'm James Albury, director of the Kika Silva Plot Planetarium in Gainesville, Florida.
And I'm Dean Regas, astronomer from the Cincinnati Observatory.
Summer is almost here, and our favorite winter constellations are almost gone. But don't despair, we have two snazzy triangles that are going to dazzle the night sky.
That's right, James. One of the triangles you see every summer, but the other one is formed by a unique arrangement of planets.
Wondering what we're talking about? Let's show you.
Okay, we have our skies set for any time this week just after sunset. If you look to the west, you'll see our favorite constellations of the winter season bidding us a fond farewell. The giant planet Jupiter will be among the stars of the Gemini twins. And if you haven't had an opportunity to view Jupiter in the early evening, you better hurry, because in just a few weeks, Jupiter will be caught in the glare of the sun and it'll reappear in the morning sky.
If you face east, you'll spot the first triangle you can see tonight. The northernmost point in the triangle is a star that appears high in the sky every year at this time. It's the orange star Arcturus, the brightest star in Boötes the Herdsman. You can find it easily by using the stars of the Big Dipper. Take the three stars in the handle of the Big Dipper and trace out an arc moving away from the Big Dipper's bowl, and you'll land almost directly on Arcturus. We call this arcing to Arcturus. The star is so bright because it's only 37 light years away from us. But it's also 26 times wider and over 113 times brighter than the sun.
The second point in our triangle is just up and to the right of Arcturus. It's the red planet Mars, and it's right next to the star Porrima, one of the bright stars in Virgo. Mars is fairly close to us right now, so through a good telescope you might be able to make out some dark surface patterns. This, of course, depends on whether or not there's a planet-wide dust storm happening on Mars. Mars was named after the Roman god of war because the red color of this planet reminded many ancient people of blood and violence.
And the last part of our triangle is formed by the second largest planet in our solar system, the ringed planet Saturn. Saturn is in an excellent spot for viewing right now, and its rings are tipped toward us in such a way that if you have a small telescope, you'll get a picture-perfect view of a planet that Galileo first described as having ears. Saturn achieved opposition just a few weeks ago, so it is bigger and brighter than it will be for the rest of the year. So definitely get outside and check it out.
So there you have it, an almost perfect triangle formed by a star, Arcturus, and two bright planets, Mars and Saturn.
Alrighty, let's take a look at our second triangle for the evening. Okay, we have our skies set to midnight, and if you look east, you'll see the three brilliant stars of the summer triangle having just risen over the eastern horizon. Vega is the brightest star of Lyra the Harp, Deneb is the brightest star of Cygnus the Swan, and Altair is the brightest star of Aquila the Eagle.
The brightest star in the triangle is Vega, and it's only 25 light years from Earth. And along with Arcturus, Vega is one of the most luminous stars in our neighborhood.
The second brightest star in the summer triangle is Altair, and it's only 17 light years from Earth. Of all the stars near us, Altair spins the fastest. At its equator, Altair can make one complete rotation in only 9 hours. Compare that to our sun, which takes 26 days to complete one rotation.
The last star of the summer triangle is the blue-white supergiant Deneb. Deneb is almost 60,000 times as bright as our sun. However, because it's almost 3,000 light years away from us, it appears much fainter than Vega and Altair.
So, there you have it. Two bright triangles to light up your night sky. Arcturus, Mars, and Saturn.
And the ever-popular and lovely summer triangle, Vega, Altair, and Deneb.
Okay, my friends, out under the sky with you, and remember, whatever you do, keep looking up.